Hi guys, today our topic is disposable spoons and forks and crafts. You are watching the golden color Christmas tree and the bucket. You are watching another colored peacock design. You are watching a flower pot, different colorful disposable spoons. You are watching another craft of the disposable spoons. You are watching different crafts, night lamp or candles made with the disposable spoon. You are watching a jewelry made with the disposable spoon. You are watching the ladybug shaped uh, color paint made with disposable spoon. You are watching the flower made with spoons. You are watching the doll, beautiful pink and white color. You are watching the step by step how you can make the craft. You are watching a candle, beautiful green color. You are watching a butterfly made with the spoons. You are watching the wall hanging beautiful design. You are watching another wall hanging beautiful color and design. You are watching another wall hanging decorated with the flowers made with the spoons, plastic disposable spoons. You are watching the wall hangings. You are watching two other wall hangings made with the plastic spoons and forks. You are watching a peacock model made with the plastic spoons and disposable plate. You are watching another design wall hanging light blue color. You are watching a clock and a wall hanging made with the fork and spoons. You are watching another wall hanging made with the spoons. You are watching another wall hanging stepwise. You are watching a beautiful white flower, decent and white color. You are watching a Christmas tree green color made with the plastic disposable spoons. You are watching the peacock how to made and color. You are watching the stepwise. You are how to can mirror. You are watching a basket made with the plastic spoons. You are watching the flower and the ladybugs made with the plastic spoons. You are watching the different colors flowers wall hangings. You are watching the plastic spoons. You are watching different cartoon characters made with plastic spoons. You are watching the candle golden color made with the plastic disposable